Hello everyone, touch the leg. Today I'm going to read passage to 21 Tara. Okay. Dolma nirji la depa. Sa gada ga da 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 naro do la dol ma nya dibo nye da nyer gao che gu chi ga chik la bao sa da 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 naro do da do ba. Dolma dolma nirji la depa. Okay. Passage to 21 taras. So this one part 1, okay. So next one, this one you can see pota la, okay, pota la, yeah. Pota okay, pota la yi, okay, yeah. Nature ne tamyi jangu le tung shing. Tamyi oti dolwa dol. Dolma khorche sheksu sol, okay, yeah. The one. So pa naropo dalokta la yi gao nasa ne mauk chana choga chok ne chok nasa ne porta la yi ne chok ne, okay. Tama tam ya gyugu yiga yik la jada janga jang khajib ku jang ku la sa le au khara tak thajib chu tu nga sa tung shagyugu shinga shing tam yi jang ku le tung shing, okay. Tamyik is the same, okay. This tamyik is same. Naro oda ka yata kya kiguki saki otki au kada dano dowa sagada kada dano dola dol. Tamyik otki dowa dol, okay. Dol is the same. Dolma is a tara, okay. Dol means a liberate. Ma is a mother, okay. Korche au kanaru kora kor baukchasa che korche gaukshani boshesa shek sa jepshu su gauksanaru sola sol sheksu sol, okay. Dolma korche sheksu sol. So repeat, okay. Pota la yi ne chok ne tamyi jangu le tung shing tamyi oti dowa dol dolma khorche sheksu sol, okay. Now this one, yeah. Pota la yi ne chok ne pota la, again, yeah. Pota la yi means connective participle. It's say to tet, yeah. Ne cho means a holy land. Ne means a place at the same. Cho means a holy. Nasa ne means a from, okay, from, yeah. For example, where are you from? Kierang kawani yin means where are you from? Same like think about. Tam yik is a tam yik. Jangu means a green, okay. Jangu means a green, yeah. Le means the same. Ne le is a jungkung, okay. It's a from, okay. Tung means a born, and shing means the end. End. This is a similar to tang, okay. Tam yik ot ki dowa dol. Tam letter ot means light. Ki means the same. Connective participle or particle. I think this is not sorry, this is a particle, okay. Doa means the sentence means. Yeah, doa means the sentence means. Dol means liberate. So dolma is a tara. Khorche, khorche is with attendance. So shek means is how to say this is come. Shek to soul means this come, okay. Shek to souls. so pota la yi ne chok ne tamik jangu le chongshing tamik oti dowa dol dolma khorche sheksu sol. Okay, so pota la yi ne cho ne tami jangu le chongshing tami oti dowa dol dolma khorche sheksu sol. Okay, this one, yeah. So next one, this one, yeah. So pota lai, you know this one, yeah. So pota lai necho ne tami jangu le chongshing tami oti dowa dol dolma khorche sheksu sol. So pota lai necho ne from your sublime adopt at the potala tamik jangu le chongshing om tara born from the green tara tam is letter, yeah. Tam yik is a your tam yik oji dowa dol your grown adorned with Amitabha, so like Buddha Amitabha, yeah. So Amitabha, so dolma is a tara, khorje is attendance, your attendance, so like to attendance, yeah, attendance. Sheksu solis, please become khorje, your attendance. Okay. So pota lagi necho ni tamye jango le chongshing tamye gogi dolwa dolma khorche shek so this one. So this pota lagi necho ni tamye jango le chongshing tamye gogi dolwa dolma khorche shek so this is so presses to 21 tara. For example, white tara, green tara, yellow tara. There are different kinds of tara. Okay, that is so first is dolma nyirchigla doba. The price is to 21 tara. So this is potala in Tibet. So in potala there have a holy land, holy place. Name is from. So green tara, same like tara is born in Tibet, in Podala. Easy to understand, yeah. So tamik goki dolwa dol is so then is tamik means the tam letter is what is a very light, same like to, for example, sunshine. So yeah, and if you have a sunshine, you can see all things, yeah. That is same like this one. So doa means the sentence mean, and the dol means the liberate, yeah. There's one say to dolma is a tara, dol means a liberate, ma is a tara, khorche means with attendant your dolma khorche they have 21 tara. Sheksu, please come. Okay, thank you for my video. Thank you for watching my video. See you later. See you again.